Hello students! In this activity, we will be thinking about how a tick might survive the freezing temperatures of winter, and how insulating materials play a crucial role in providing shelter for that tick. First, we will go out and explore a natural environment on a below freezing temperature day, and we will try to find places in that natural environment where a tick might find temperatures that are above freezing. Then we will be designing and building our own shelters that could hypothetically house a tick, and we will be putting them to the test by performing the ice cube test. All right, so we're outside and we're going to try to find some spots where the temperature is much higher than the temperature in the air out here. So first of all, I'm going to take a temperature reading in the shade here in the open air, and that'll be our temperature that we're going to compare everything else to. It's a blue sky day. It's pretty cold and windy, a lot of snow on the ground. And anyway, so I've got my trusty thermometer here. The probe has been hanging out in the air for a little while, and let's see what it says. We got 21.8 degrees Fahrenheit. So well below freezing. That's pretty cold. Let's go see if we can find some spots that are warm enough, hopefully, for a tick to survive winter. All right, so the first spot that I'm going to test is this tree. Actually, I'm going to test this little hole in the tree up here. I was thinking I can wedge the thermometer probe inside one of these holes between the core of the tree and the bark. Let's try. All right, so with a little bit of difficulty, I got the thermometer wedged in. Anyway, so this is on the sunny side of this tree, and already the temperature in that bark has gone up to 32.2 degrees. So it's been in there for about a minute, and it's already gone to about freezing temperature. Could even get to be a little above freezing temperature. Okay, so this is another spot that I thought I would check. These are leaves that I raked in the fall, and now it's March and it's covered in a lot of snow. I dug about a foot down into the leaves and I put my thermometer in there and the temperature went up. So let's go check out what it is. So the temperature about a foot down in these leaves is as warm as 37.5 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's significantly above freezing temperature. I imagine that a lot of that has to do with it's a big pile of leaves and they're decomposing, getting eaten by all sorts of little bugs and bacteria. And those bugs and bacteria are converting energy from chemical form in the leaves into heat as they move around and digest.